We are learning to identify spelling errors in our work. In this flip, you're going to find out what to do when you are unsure of how to spell a word and how you know that you're unsure of a word's correct spelling. So identifying spelling errors in your written work happens at 2 times, and the first time it happens is that you can be doing it as you're writing. So for example, if I wanted to say I saw a big beautiful, I'm not sure about the word beautiful, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say it, spell it like it sounds, beautiful. And then to show that I'm unsure of the spelling of that word, with my ruler and my red pen, I'm going to underline it. So I know that that's a word I'm going to have to come back and fix. And back to my writing, I saw a beautiful dog. So that's the first way that you identify a spelling error in your work, is that you identify it as you're writing. Underline it, and then you can keep on with your writing. The second way that you can identify a spelling error in your work is to do it after you've finished your writing. So if I have a story written, I went for a walk down to the shops and it was a lovely day. Okay, so I've finished my writing, and then when I go back and I edit it and I read it, I have a look at it and I have to think to myself, does that word look right? So let's read along. I went for a walk. I've seen walk in my stories and I'm not quite sure that that's how it's spelled. It doesn't quite look right. So with my ruler and my red pen, I'm going to underline that word. Down to the shops. I'm pretty sure those words are all right. And it was a lovely. I'm not sure about that word. I'm not quite sure what to do when I want to write lee at the end of a word. So I'm going to underline that one in red. Day. And then what I have to do, once I've gone through and identified any words that might be wrong, I can go and look them up using the resources in our classroom to help me. Another good thing you can do to help you to identify spelling errors in your work is when you're finished doing your writing and you've gone through, as you've been writing, you've been underlining the words you're unsure of in red. When you finished writing, you went back and underlined any words that didn't quite look right or you weren't sure of. And then what you could do after that is you could buddy up with a friend and give them your piece of writing, and they can underline in red any words that they think that you may have spelt incorrectly as well. Good luck with identifying your spelling errors in your work as you go, and also identifying any errors at the end when you go to edit.